Hi there, this is Sharyar Abid again. I'm here with the second video, and in the first video I let you know that loading iframe is a must because if we want to get the content from another site to be displayed in our site, we have to have iframes to load it. Iframes are the only way to load that content. Now there are three ways. First, let me take a look at this one, which is the pop-up loader. Yes. Now this method from user's point of view, from user's perspective, will be a little bit faster than the other two. Why? Because the user is already on the page has been loaded for quite some time. User is reading the content of the page, and then at some point in time he clicks on this button, he or she clicks on this button, and then he or she will have to wait only for the iframe to load. Like this, the iframe has been loaded. Whereas in the inline and in the full screen cases, since the user is coming from some link to these pages, so that these pages only have this form on it. So first the user will have to wait for the page to load and then for the iframe to load. As you can see in a moment, the page has been loaded, and now it will take some time to load the iframe. Similar is the case for this full screen as well, because we have only set the settings of the iframe as full screen and not and this iframe is inside a page. So the page will get loaded first and then the iframe, as you can see it in a moment. Now the page gets loaded. After that, it will take some time to load the iframe. Now, since the properties of the iframes are that it will take the full screen, so it will hide this page in a moment. And sorry, my internet is a little bit slower, working slower. Now it has hidden the page elements, and you can only see this iframe in the whole page. So from user's perspective, this method will load a little bit faster than the other two, because this method only they will have to wait for the iframe to load, whereas in this inline and in this full screen method, the page will get loaded and then the iframe will get loaded. In the next video, I'll let you know which of these three methods are working correctly as per our desires, and if we want to use this one or this one, then we'll have to code a little bit of JavaScript that I have to redirect for the users inside this window. I'll explain it in the next video. Thank you very much.